section 2022 was an awesome time out there, and yes, legendary actors were only invited for this event. Talking of the likes of Flavour, Big Wiz, and the rest of others. It was an amazing night on the 26th of February 2022, and I'm bringing you highlights from two of my, should I say, I'll not call them favorite. I love Flavour. Flavour is like my best actors, and yeah, Wizkid on the other hand is someone I admire a lot. So I'm bringing you a highlight from these two amazing actors here on this video. So please, if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section, because you know that your comments and your thoughts are highly welcome. We all know that Wizkid is good with his craft. Same thing goes for Flavour Nabania. Now imagine how they are going to entertain you inside this video. So stay back, enjoy the video. Don't forget I'm looking for